In today's video, I'll be talking about figure of speech, and today I've taken two figure of speech. It's a kind of literary devices, you can say. So these two figure of speeches which I've taken today are very much used in poems. When you do critical appreciations of the poems, it's very much needed for you to know how these figure of speeches are used in the poem. So you must know the differentiation between these two figure of speech. So first one is simile. Simile in Hindi we call it upma alankar. So in simile what happens that we here compare two unlike things, and the important or the particular words we use, those are like, as, and so. These three words actually we use in simile while doing comparison. So we can see that her face is like a moon, or her voice is as sweet as honey. Okay, so like, as, and so, these are the three words you remember, which really would help you to identify simile. We do compare here comparison between two unlike things. And in metaphor what happens that it is also here also we do comparison, but it's a kind of direct comparison, and we don't use these three words like, as, and so. It's a direct comparison, and sometimes we call it an implied similitude. Okay, so for example, if I say that her face is a moon, okay, so directly I am just imposing uh, the word which has been compared. So I can give you a very good example of both simile and metaphor. If I say the camel is the ship of the desert, so the camel is the ship of the desert. It is an example of metaphor because directly I am using this comparison. But if I say the camel is like the ship of the desert, it is a simile. So very clearly you can differentiate between these two figure of speech.